Welcome back to my channel. Let us look at evaluation of infix expression. Till now we have seen only conversion from infix to postfix, infix to prefix, postfix to infix and prefix to infix. Now we will evaluate this expression, right? Evaluation means that we will get a final answer for this, right? So let us evaluate this expression. We all know, right, that we have already seen precedence and associativity. We have seen that exponential has the highest precedence, and then comes multiplication and division, which has associativity is left to right, and then comes plus and minus. So if two operators have the same precedence, then associativity is checked, right? So here let us solve this using this precedence and associativity. As we solve, we will check this out and you will know much better, right? Let us look at this expression at a glance. We can see that it has plus operator, star operator, minus and division, right? So now here we can easily make out that star and division or multiplication division have greater precedence than minus and plus, correct? Therefore we need to solve multiplication and division, but multiplication and division have the same precedence, right? So we cannot choose between multiplication and division. So then we have to look at associativity. If you can see, it has left to right associativity, which means that multiplication has to be here with this. In this expression, multiplication has to be solved first and then division. So I will write 8 plus 10 minus 6 by 3. Now what are the operators that are left? Plus is left, minus is left, and division is left. Clearly division has greater precedence than plus and minus. Therefore we will solve division here. 8 plus 10 minus 6 by 3 is 2, correct? Now we have plus and minus. We have plus and minus here. Both have same precedence. So how do we know which operator to solve first? We look at the associativity. It is left to right. Therefore we solve this first, right? Then now 18 minus 2, that is equal to 16. 16 is our answer. This is a simple evaluation of infix expression. So infix expressions we can easily evaluate because we are used to it, right? The problem comes, or the challenge is to evaluate postfix and prefix expressions, which we will see in the next videos. Thank you for watching.